ready na amon kay guys. Ready na din si Mami. Ready ko na lang yung bag. Hindi man siya natulog. So, sa car na siya matutulog. Ang bilis ng tulog niya kanina. That was like 10 minutes only. So, ready ko lang yung bag. And then, punta na tayo sa bahay ng parents ko. Or, siguro diretso kami dun sa restaurant. Oh, sige na. Oh. Antok na to eh. Antok na kanina pa nagre-reklamo yan. Let's go, guys. We're gonna go eat Korean barbecue in Victoria Park.
Victoria Park? Is there a playground there?
There's nothing. We're just gonna go there to eat.
Mommy, but you said there's a park. You said it's park. Victoria Park.
Yeah, Victoria
That's
Park.
the name of the
place.
Street. Yes. That's the name of the street. Victoria Park. And napatulog ko si Kai sa car while waiting for my sisterette.
Yeah, took a while.
Kai! Hello, mabibi. Hello, mabibi lang. Are you okay lang there? Uy. Hulo, nagtangis na. Nagtangis. It's okay. Aba. Tangis na siya. Nandito na kami, guys. Mama. Aba. Sexy yung aming ate, guys. Sila niyo. May pa-heels pa. Kinamot si Mia. Banana. Chicken. Banana. Nawawala si Kai, guys. Alam niyo kung nasaan? Nasa labas si Kai. Nandun siya kay Papa. Kai! Ulo, yambi. Yambi.
Tingnan na siguro pag masari ko dito doon na naras
Gayambi sa. Hala. Ay ba?
Magtinang.
Oh,
Dito gutom ka. Nakakaon ka.
basta gani gutom na.
May try pa din yan.
Gani. Ang gunting. May tagay ko sa Sprite, B? Tagay ko drink, B? Kuha ka din na nga.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder. Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.
iyak ng iyak si Kai doon kanina sa restaurant. As in, grabe yung iyak niya. I'm not sure why, but he doesn't like to be there. If Kai is still sleeping, I'm just gonna change. Tukawa na change man. Gani. Kinakapalakat po. Yeah, I just wanna change as well so I'm comfortable and I might need to bring my pump. I need to bring my pump. Bumili pa pala si Mia ng ice cream, guys, and maganda dun. Anti-tips. Hindi ko lang na-vlog kasi sinishake ko yung car seat ni Mini Kai para matulog siya. Natulog siya. Kasi iyak ng iyak. Grabe man yung iyak sa restaurant. Baka pa ice cream.
Hindi ka shower pa?
We're here! We're here, Mami Landa de la. Iyak na naman siya, oh.
Because she told me that. You asked me.
What is that? Tito Janjan? Di dito danay, kay gamay-gamay lang imo.
Yeah, huwag kapir-pir.
Gamay lang niya imo, didi ya. Oh. Gamay lang ang didi ni Kai Gina. Madidi danay kami. Una tulog ba na kagina sa car, din patulog ko sa danay. Before ko nag-drive. Kaya malaki lawid-lawid at drive 30 minutes kasi magdinangis na sa bala. Ay tulog man sa malapit na kami. Nabugdawan na sa para na kami sa may traffic light sa may train. Nabugdawan na sa madidi na kita danay liwat. Kaya wala ka man to nagdidi. Gamay lang man ang didi man. Matulog ka na liwat dason. Matulog na liwat dason ng Kai. Okay na daan. Okay na lang. Una lang man na.
Wish na lang dyan, Albert. Hindi mo na kami. Laka na tayo dyan.
31 na ako. 30 na lang.
Can you make a house for me?
Oh, that's too expensive.
Tell me a story. Yeah. House.
Tell Daddy.
About my school?
Oh, tell Daddy what happened to your school.
Yeah, about your school. What happened?
Oh, what happened?
You know what happened to my little finger here?
Oh, what happened?
When I was to the track building when there was only little kids, when there was a bug on the big seat, then I was trying to close it,
The door of the car.
and then I put my finger in the car because I didn't know that was a back thing, and then I tried closing it gently, and then it turned.
Lucky is gently. He didn't close it hard.
Lucky, gently, huh?
Maybe we need to cut. No? No need to cut? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Gawa ka si Kai. Gawa ka. Oo. Gawa ka na si Kai. Ano daw Kai? Ano natabo kay Ate Mia?
Open your finger, see?
Oo. Ay! Peekaboo! Oo. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Oh.
Hindi nga magatinangis siya. Ay! Gutom naman niya.
Tela sa vlog.
Mainit pa. Hindi ka lang tawa ko. Nami. Nami na.
Tela sa
Ano, Marcos?
Marcos.
Marcos.
Marks.
Marcos mo po. Ang kangaway. Oh!
Pero daw ako canvas na sama. Canvas ah. Okay, magaling ka dako, no? Online ko lang in-order. Wala man ko time maglakat.
Okay, basta malit. Tapos malit. Sabi po.
Ito tulala. Ang sling butang bimsling. Tapos ang tawa kung ano kalaba. Okay, magaling. May adjustan siya, mao. Na. Yes. Nakita ko lang sa scan ko sa Meyer. Ay. Tulog na naman. Ay, tanis na naman ang Kai.
Mama, ano yung pangita ni Miriam? Kaya nandun ko sa dyan na kayo ni Miriam. Magduwan tayo.
Wala, nalagbong ma. Oh, no.
Odo, mami.
Mali papa mo, Marcos.
Wala na!
Oh, thank you.
then what happened? Then what happened to school?
Ano ito, bukas ko, bagay, nakari yung bitchik, mo ano.
We had a birthday party. Yeah, we had two birthdays. So we had three birthdays. So it was my next birthday. Chelsea's birthday. So my first birthday was in school, and we saw Micah's birthday, and we saw Shadow's birthday. Even we didn't see Cleveland's birthday because he bounced on that. He bounced on his birthday somewhere else.
Kaya lang kita ko, ano ni bitchik, pag ako kubag. Kasi yung may brochure. Set ko ba, kaya kapag Jena? Jena?
Ano yung story? What's your story?
Jena ko ba, ikaw online?
Birthday daw, birthday.
Even we got one more birthday. We got the
Alam ko
big
sa Mayo,
student's
kung ano
birthday.
yung papa
We
mo.
got one student's birthday because
Ulit ina si papa mo, kung nalakat-lagaw kami. Wait. So, mas lang ha.
Kain tayo cake from Cake Suzette nila in order, guys. Masarap na.
Pangita ni Ferdia?
Very yummy.
Ari na
Sarap
mo?
din ng leche flan na may ube. Yeah, very nice, guys. I had the one and I tried this already, but I'm gonna have more because it's yum. You like it, ate? You like it? Uy.
Moist na, manigit mo nila pangita ni Ferdia. Apa, manila pangita mo kung kulang pagid ka mo. Ay, matlaw.
Our Kai Kai's right there, oh. Maukoy na siya. Happy na ikaw, Kai? With Tito Janjan, Kai? Ha?
Ako tumalikan ko sa una nga taga.
Pugtaw na si Kai Kai na mo. Nakatulog man si Kai Kai. Kay kagina na pilaw. Pugtaw na sa happy na siya. Happy na siya, guys. Very good. Si Mama busy sa kanyang pabulaklak. Oh, busy si Mama. Nilagay niya yung akin dito. I think red ni siya man, no? Tapos iniguro yellow. Ito yung binigay ko sa kanya, yung nagbubulak, nagbubuka ka. Buka ka. Ito kay Papa, yung may rose. Ha? Tatlo lang? Ano tatlo?
Laban nung daw, nung dahil mo yung panguha ko.
Ah,
Tatlo sa katang kayo.
ang red. Ang red.
Hindi basta tatlo lang.
Ah, tatlo lang sa... Ay, so isa lang sila.
Oo, tatlo lang kami.
Ah, okay. Feeling ko, pag unibuka, ma-red pa ni siya. Kay,
May
hindi
tatlo
ma...
kastel, tapos sa'yo bulak ko.
Okay.
Tatlo lang kastel.
Kay ini red siya yun, no? Tapos ini do...
Yan.
Yel. Eh, kay may ali mama red man siya mao sa sulod.
Sa kastel siya, oh.
Isa sa kastim ganip. Ini may red siya sa sulod. This one.
Oh, mag-open na taon-taon.
Oo, nung taon-taon na siya. Ito yung kay Papa sa kanya, o na. Ang akon to bulak ara ko sa balay.
Wala ka bisang kuha power base na nag-lock sa pwede. Kumita ko ba sa mga.
Diba?
Mabutaw. Lagi ba nandun ko every week, may bula ko dapat. Binapit.
Ayaba. Ayaba. Gusto-gusto niya lang ginamuna siya. Gusto-gusto niya
Na may
gina.
abi ang bugba. Bakit hindi ka hindi ka bita?
Oo.
Nadasa ko lang.
Nag-pump na pala ako, guys. Ang sarap ng cake. In fairness dun sa cake na bili ni Ate Pearl masarap. Cake Suzette. 11 o'clock na.
Natin tayo, kailang kung ako natawag lang kasi. Para bula-bula pa kami. Oo, yun niya. Sa talaga lang. Ano yun na.
Daddy, how many beers did you drink?
Only 2 or 3.
Huh?
Only 2 or 3.
Maybe you drink 5. Because 5 is
Yeah, maybe.
this. Because 5 is this 1, 2, 3, and after 4 is 5. So 5 is just enough. 5 is just enough. And Daddy, how about after you eat? After you drink? Did you eat only?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, Daddy. Ratty rat stinky, ratty rat stinky, ratty rat stinky.
Kabihis na siya, guys. Tulog na siya. Palidiin ko na lang. Oh no. What's that? Is it Kai Kyla? Are you talking to people? Tell people the story. People, I've been crying today. I cry a lot today. I don't know.
Okay, Mia, Daddy gotta go on for me.
I'm gonna miss you. Because I want to. Daddy, I want you to hug me because I miss you.
Yeah, I know, I wanna hug you too. But I'm gonna come back very soon.
I'm already crying because I want you.
Don't cry. You have to be happy that Daddy is happy. Okay, Daddy? Okay? Okay, Mia?
Yeah.
Say goodnight na to Daddy.
No, I can't because I want Daddy and I miss him.
Don't. You gotta break the
Because I
camera.
already have tear.
Umiiyak na naman siya. Miss na miss niya na daddy niya.
Because I already have tears because I want you here.
I know, I missed you too, okay?
It's okay, Mia. How many sleep left?
6, 7, 8. Huh?
How many sleep left?
How many days left you mean?
Yeah, sleep.
No, how many days left?
Mm-hmm.
Can you check in the calendar?
I think maybe 9 days left.
Daddy, is there 9 days left?
Huh?
Is there 9 days left?
Yeah.
Daddy said there is 9 days left.
Oh, maybe 8 days.
Huh?
8 days left.
No, there's 9 days.
Okay.
Daddy said there is 9
Oh, say goodnight na to Daddy.
When 9 is gone, there's going to be 8.
Yeah.
When 8 is gone, there's going to be 7. And 7 is gone, it's going to be 6. When 6 is gone, it's going to be 5. When 5 is gone, it's going to be 4.
Mm-hmm.
When 4 is gone, then it's going to be 3.
Oh, sige na.
If 3 is gone, then it's going to be 2. If 2 is gone, then it's going to be 1. And if 1 is gone, if 0 is still there, Daddy's coming back with 0.
Oh, Daddy turned it off. Oh, maybe you did.
No, I was holding like this.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.